What if you were given only two simple sums involving three numbers, and from that alone you could uncover another hidden expression exactly? Stay with me, because this elegant algebraic trick reveals more than you might expect. In this video, we are given three real numbers a, b, and c. We know two pieces of information, a plus b plus c equals 111, and a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 777. Our goal is to determine the value of the expression a times b plus a times c plus b times c. We begin by recalling a fundamental algebraic identity, a plus b plus c, all squared equals a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times a times b plus 2 times a times c plus 2 times b times c. This identity can be rewritten as a plus b plus c, all squared, equals a squared plus b squared plus c squared, plus 2 times a times b plus a times c plus b times c. Now we substitute the known values. The sum a plus b plus c is equal to 111, so its square is written as 111 to the power of 2. The sum a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 777. This gives the equation 111 to the power of 2 equals 777 plus 2 times a times b plus a times c plus b times c. We now rearrange this equation to isolate the expression we're looking for to get a times b plus a times c plus b times c equals the square of 111, which equals 12,321 minus 777, all divided by 2. This implies that a times b plus a times c plus b times c equals 11,544 divided by 2. Therefore, we conclude that a times b plus a times c plus b times c is equal to 5,772. Using a classic algebraic identity and careful substitution, we were able to find the exact value of a times b plus a times c plus b times c without ever knowing the individual values of a, b, or c. This is a powerful example of how algebra reveals hidden structure with minimal information. If you found this kind of elegant algebraic reasoning instructive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who loves mathematics. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today. See you in the next problem.